Hey, stroom is uitgevallen. Kan je hem kaars brengen, want ik wil die tekening vandaag af hebben.
Alsjeblieft, pap.
What's up?
Oh nee. Sorry.
Nee. Okay.
Sorry.
Yo, brothers, for this piece, I'm gonna try something new. I'm going to do a challenge with Silly Siggy, and whoever wins this challenge will do the concept of this drawing. It has to be an idea with Kwebbelkop in mind. So let's do the challenge and see who wins. I've been thinking about doing a Fortnite challenge. I'm not sure what yet, but I'm sure it's going to be fun. Maybe some speedruns. I don't know, we'll see. Silly Siggy and I, my girlfriend and I, are going to do some solo matches, and the one closest to first place will win, and the loser will have to do the design. We are going to do 2 matches each, and then we're going to check it out who's closest to first place, and yeah, we'll see what will happen after that. Here she is, Silly Siggy. As y'all know, she's also a great artist, so I'm sure if she loses, she'll make a great design.
Suddenly, pineapples.
Okay guys, while I'm sitting here, I'm going to start first. I already got my master plan. That's camping.
Wait, what is camping?
Camping is something pros do.
The f*** you say to me, you little shit?
I haven't played this game in a really long time. Bear with me guys. It's been like a year or so. Okay, not 2, maybe a year. Holy crap. Okay, so I need to get as close as possible to first place. Retail road. Oh, that's an OG place. Okay, please let be empty. Please let be empty. Oh, it's drifting so hard. Whoa, someone's right here. No! I can't die yet. Silly is over here pressing all kinds of buttons. No, stop it! No! Let me fight him! No, what are you doing? Let me fight him! Let me fight him! He's healing! No! I got a kill! Oh shit! Look what you've done! No! I get him! No! What are you doing? No! Silly Siggy just messed me up! So I've been placed 30th, let's see what Silly Siggy can do. Okay, so I did my first round, and I reached 30th place.
Suddenly, pineapples.
I hope I win this thing because I want to beat my boyfriend. Going to land in this arc reactor something thingy. I got it. Oh, okay. I'm too young to die. I'm getting the hang of it. Okay. I like this farming thing. How do you build with this thing? Graphics, can you please show me? Because I hear a chest. And chest is calling out for me. Oh my god, and I think I heard someone. I'm afraid. Shoot.
Yeah.
Oh. But...
On the stairs.
Oh yes.
Towards the circle. E. Yeah. The circle's closing in.
Oh my god. I hate this kind of stormy thing.
29th. Okay. She already won this round.
I told you I was a pro. And I'm in the circle. Back at it again. In the game. In your face.
We got 2 more rounds to go. What are you talking about? There's someone right in front of you.
Oh, come on, man.
Okay. Number 15.
Okay, you gave in 15.
But I did better than my boyfriend graphics.
Gosh, you cheated.
Well, how did I cheat it? Oh.
Messed up my keys.
Show me that you're better than me. I'm just happy that I beat my boyfriend. And it was just my first time, my first try. I won't screw it up for him this time.
Suddenly, pineapples.
Okay, round 2 for me, the final round. Okay, this sucks. This was totally unexpected, but Silly Siggy just won. Well, that means I have to do the design. And of course, I can... Oh, what the hell? I just lost to Silly Siggy.
I want to be a pro Fortnite player.
And that's when the addiction kicks in, brothers. So, what do you think about Fortnite? You just won.
Yeah, I just won. I just won to my boyfriend. I expected that because I'm a fast learner. Yeah, I just happy I won.
So now that you've won, what kind of prize do you want?
Please share this video, guys. Let this video go viral, please, please, please. Because I want a new PC. I want to play Fortnite. I just like the game, and it's I just discovered it, and it just feels good.
Hey brothers, don't forget you can always support us by using the creator tag graphics. I see you there. Come on, click it. Type in graphics and accept. All support is highly appreciated. Let me get some of the YouTube money so I can buy Ciaoooooooo a new PC. Anyway, let's continue with the drawing, brothers. So this is the sketch that I made, and damn, it looks good. So the reason why I chose to do a portrait drawing for Kwebbelkop is because I'm a long-time fan of his. I'm talking years. The thing that hooked me first was that he can speak Dutch. I mean, I can speak Dutch as well. It's my native language. Although he's from the Netherlands, and I'm from a country called Suriname. But both our native languages are Dutch. I mean, it's nothing big, but you know, it's the little things that count and inspire us. Okay, while we were out taking a break, I thought of a TikTok that I really wanted to try out. Hopefully it will come out as I saw it on TikTok. But before we continue, let's just admire this artwork on this wall. Now let's get pumped up, brothers, and embarrass ourselves.
He's gonna burst a blood vessel because I kissed his wife.
Don't you like it when these diamonds look like respect? Come a little closer, sussy boy, and in suspect.
Suddenly, pineapples.
Now let's fill his entire hair with doodles. He got a lot of it, so we got an awful lot of work to do, brothers. Let's jump straight into it. Okay, now let's erase all the pencil lines from the outlining. Yeah, it's a bit difficult erasing and recording at the same time. Okay, let's sweep all the eraser poop off my drawing. And now let's finish his face with some shading. I'm just using a regular napkin to shade in everywhere where I use the pencil. So my girlfriend was the one who found the reference photo to do a Kwebbelkop's portrait drawing, and as you can see in the photo, Kwebbelkop has a few birthmarks on his face. Now in my drawing, I left them out on purpose. If you look at the drawing, you can clearly see I left them out. And then I'm going to ask my girlfriend if she notices anything is missing in the photo. Or actually, the drawing. If she guesses it right, I'll give her $1,000.
$1,000?
So silly, you wanna win $1,000?
Hell yeah!
All you gotta do is guess what's missing in this drawing.
Kwebbelkop just has these birthmarks like I have!
That's correct! It's the birthmark!
So where's my $1,000? No, no, no! No, I know my boyfriend.
As promised, $1,000.
Thank you. Share this! Let us go! Please, let this money become real. Help me buy this PC because I want to play Fortnite. Okay, boss.
Will you do the honors to draw the birthmarks?
Yes, and if I know Kwebbelkop face that well, I think he has something over here and something over here, I guess. I think I ought to have another $1,000 for this one.
You want another 1,000?
Comment down below if I should have another $1,000 for this video.
So I taped the drawing on my door here outside because yeah, the lighting is pretty awesome and I need a great picture for me to edit up in Photoshop. Now let's see this bad boy over in Photoshop. I'm gonna slap on the sexy colors and then it's time for the final reveal, my brothers. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to punch the like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll say until next time, brothers. Ciao!